In the header, you can find basic functions of FendtONE offboard. Let's start with the symbol in the top left corner. Alarms and messages are displayed here. The second function in the header offers support. Use the chatbot or the service number for fast problem solving. Additionally, you can see your support requests as tickets here. The speech bubble opens the user lane. Here, a step-by-step tutorial gives interactive assistance for various functions of the portal. On the right-hand side, you find your profile. Changes of your personal information or switching to another organization can be done here. All the way to the right, you find the menu. Functions that facilitate work and make processes more efficient are located here. With the Overview Manager, you can customize your home screen just like on your tractor. Based on your needs, you can either add, move, or delete tiles here. Use the App Store within the menu to add additional functionalities. The Wayline Generator, for example, allows for the creation of optimized guidance waylines when creating a task. Finally, we move to Settings. A master data file is a requirement for the usage of all the offboard functions and holds all the underlying machine and field data. Easy export of your master data is also possible here. Within the Fendt Explained tile, you can find additional helpful how-to videos regarding FendtONE on and offboard. One thing is simple: FendtONE.